I want you guys to see a couple really critical items that you could need. These are easy to make in advance, not expensive. This is a homemade washing machine. Get you a plunger that fits on a long pole. Make sure you have holes in it. Make sure there's holes in it. Clothesline, clothespins, bunch of holes in a bucket without holes. Wash it in here. Hang this up on something. Twist it up, it'll spin all the water out of it for you. This works great. You want to use this to wash and rinse. Very critical. The second thing is a homemade composting toilet. The Gamma Seal lid is probably going to cost you the most of anything, but it's very important that the urine goes into a separate container. You don't want to mix these. You need some sawdust. You want to make sure that this is above it, obviously, so that the urine will run down. And I'm sorry, there's stuff in here, so you're just going to see the nitty-gritty. But look, I just put a funnel. And what did I do with this? What's this? Oh, it's how I attached it, sorry. So then when you sit on this, you line yourself up and you pee into the funnel, and it comes down into here. Put you some sawdust in here. You know what? This has been in here for a year. Literally. And it doesn't even smell because it's been in there with sawdust. So you keep the poop and the pee separate, you're not going to have a nasty smell. This isn't comfortable to sit on, so you can fashion yourself something, put a little seat over it, or, you know, even a camping toilet, just set it over it, whatever you want to do.